Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video I'm going to talk more about seamless patterns. It's going to be a very quick video, don't worry, but I want you to show that it's not just in the low content book publishing market that these seamless patterns are profitable. You can also just sell the pattern as a digital asset, and then other people can buy it and do what they want with it. They can use it as their low content books or in their scrapbooking or whatever they want these sort of patterns for. So here we are on Etsy. This is probably one of the largest online stores for buying anything really homemade, and I'll just type in seamless pattern. And here you go, straight away you can see pages of 106,000 results, and some of them, that's quite a simple one. And it is just one file, one JPEG, and they're selling it for £7.39. And it's got 7 reviews on the item, so it's sold at least 7 times. Obviously some people buy things and don't leave reviews, so it has sold at least 7 times. This pattern, it would maybe make it it would maybe take 10 minutes work to get a pattern like that, and it's instant digital download. It's not physical. JPEG, it's just a JPEG. And they're offering an upsell. Message them for different colours and different sizes. Obviously it'll come with a fee. And then they are offering commercial rights. So this is sold at least 7 times at £7.39, maybe even £8.73. And as I've shown you how to make these in Canva and Affinity Publisher, you can make them for free as long as you have access to these elements, and there are free elements in Canva. Another good place to get elements from is Creative Fabrica. Again, I'll post a link to Creative Fabrica in the description. It'll be attached to my referral code. If you were to use it or sign up, I would get a small kickback. Now this window here is the fee calculator. It's from February 2021, so it's say 18 months out of date, but the fees won't have changed that much, and this was the best calculator I could find. So if we say, I'm just going to find out how much profit this person would make from selling one of those files. So it cost £7.39 to buy. There was no shipping involved, no material, packaging, or price paid for shipping. We'll run no ads. And these are the list of the fees that Etsy charge, or at least they did charge in February 21. It wouldn't have changed that much. And there's your profit, £6.03. Now they've sold that 7 times, so they're 42 quid. And all they've done is found a pumpkin. Let's be honest, they might have drawn it, but you can find just as good pumpkins, leaves, hearts, and a coffee cup. Slapped them all together, made it into a repeating pattern, put it on Etsy, and they're making 6 quid a pop. And this is the rest of the shop. A lot of it is, or is all of it, seamless patterns. Now they look quite nice, but they're all very simple to do, especially if you have access to the elements. Now there are other places where you can download elements for free. Pixabay, for example, that is quite good. They do have a license you can use their stuff commercially. There are conditions placed on that use, so read the license carefully. And they're all £7, £8. It's just one JPEG. Yep, one JPEG. And they've got 176 shop reviews, so they've sold at least 176 products. And if they're making £6 a go, you don't have to be a maths surgeon to work out that that is, you know, a grand, give or take. So that is it for today. Just a short video to show you that it's not just low content books that you can be targeting with these seamless patterns that you make for free and you make £6 on. That's better than most low content book profits, to be honest. So thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe if you found it helpful. It really does help me out and I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.